Launch your first Reddit ad campaign. Want to advertise where conversations are happening? Reddit Ads gives you the chance to reach passionate communities based on real interests. Let's jump into how to launch your first Reddit ad campaign. Go to Reddit Ads Manager. Start by visiting ads.reddit.com. Click Sign Up or a login with your Reddit account to get started. Create a campaign. Next, click Create Campaign. Choose your objective. It could be anything from website traffic to conversions, brand awareness, or app installs. Define your audience. Now it's time to target your audience. You can select by interests like tech, gaming, or fitness. Specific subreddits. Location, device, and even time of day. Set your budget and schedule. Choose your daily or lifetime budget and set your bid amount. Don't forget to pick your start and end dates to keep your campaign on track. Build your ad. Next, it's time to get creative. Upload an engaging image or video, craft a compelling headline and description, and include a catchy call to action. Tip: make sure your ad is simple, relevant, and engaging for the subreddit you're targeting. Launch and monitor. Once your ad is reviewed, it goes live. Use the dashboard to track your clicks, impressions, and engagement to see how well your campaign is performing. Why use Reddit ads? By using Reddit ads, you can reach highly engaged niche audiences. Enjoy the benefits of community-level targeting and cost-effective ad options compared to other platforms. Reddit ads let you connect with your audience in the spaces they trust most. Perfect for targeted brand growth. Start advertising on Reddit today.